Here is an aviation mystery. A modern airliner, highly trained pilots, and a perfectly flyable aircraft with engines working, controls working. Pilots hadn't forgotten their training. Their intelligence hadn't changed. Yet, the aircraft crashed into the Atlantic. 238 people died. The official investigation discovered something uncomfortable. The biggest problem wasn't the aircraft. It was what pressure was doing to the humans trying to fly it. The strange part? Exact same thing happens in meetings every single day. Join me in the briefing room for this week's Mission Brief.